So, Sam, how do you feel staying in China?
Is
it good?
I've been to China a few times before, but this is my first time with Immetech, and it has been much smoother than previous visits.
Yeah.
So I feel very good because we accomplished what we wanted to in the 3 days I was there.
Okay. So have you ever tried the delicious food?
Too much delicious food.
Oh, too much?
I go back to the UK probably a bit fatter than when I arrived.
No. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you some questions about our company, okay?
Yes?
Yes. For the first one, what's your first impression on Immetech?
First impression when I arrived and Echo take me around the facility was that it is very clean. One of the
clean. Yeah,
cleanest.
I do remember you mentioned it so many times.
Oh, you say because I've been to a lot of mold shops and manufacturers in China, and usually the conditions are not so good. We have problems with material storage and things, but at Immetech, the mold shop floor, the CNC machine shop, everything is so clean and well maintained. So that was my first impression.
Because Jesse just asked the workers to do cleaning every day. Yeah.
He must be very strict on this.
Yes, of course. Very strict about this part of thing. Okay. I know you come here to brought lots of design problems. We cooperate now. Yeah. So is it being solved perfectly?
Yeah, on the first day I arrived, we actually realised that there was a problem with the PCB, where PCB supplier had changed some of the wrong parts. So Immetech staff, and Echo especially, did everything they can to get them to change it in just the one day, so that because I was only here for 3 days, and it almost was looking like we weren't going to be able to build anything, which would have been a real shame. But the Immetech staff did everything they could to get this changed, to get the right PCBs in, so that we could build some product which was really good, and we really appreciate it.
Oh, okay, thank you. So it being solved successfully, okay.
Nice.